Have you ever pondered the ancient secrets that govern the universe and wondered how they can be used to shape your reality? What if the key to manifesting your deepest desires lies in understanding timeless wisdom that transcends the physical world? Today, we dive deep into the Hermetic teachings, particularly the principle of gender, an often misunderstood yet profoundly powerful concept. Rooted in the mystical traditions of Hermes Trismegistus, this principle, alongside the hidden generative principle, offers insights into the very fabric of creation. Join us as we explore how these ancient teachings can empower you to consciously create your life and achieve balance in all aspects. The Hermetic principle of gender is far more than a reference to biological sex. It encompasses a universal duality present in all things, a creative force that transcends physical distinctions. The term gender originates from the Latin root generare, meaning to create or generate, and the Greek genesis, meaning origin or creation. These etymological roots hint at the expansive nature of this principle, which is foundational to all acts of creation, whether physical, mental, or spiritual. In Hermetic philosophy, the masculine and feminine energies are seen as complementary forces. The masculine energy, symbolizing initiative and directive power, acts as the seed of potential, akin to the divine fiat in Genesis, "Let there be light," Genesis 1:3. This initiating force sets the stage for creation. Conversely, the feminine energy is the receptive, nurturing aspect, akin to the fertile soil that gives life to the seed. Proverbs 31 describes the ideal woman as a nurturer and provider, reflecting the feminine principle's role in cultivating and manifesting potential into reality. These two energies are not limited to human sexuality, but are universal forces that operate on all planes of existence. The Kybalion, a cornerstone text of Hermetic teachings, asserts, "Gender is in everything. Everything has its masculine and feminine principles." This statement underscores the omnipresence of these forces, influencing everything from cosmic creation to personal growth. The masculine principle can be likened to the biblical logos, or divine word, which initiates creation. It represents thought, intention, and the will to create. The feminine principle, in contrast, is the Sophia, or divine wisdom, which nurtures and actualizes these intentions. This duality mirrors the concept of yin and yang in Taoism, where balance and harmony arise from the interplay of opposites. The Bible, among other ancient texts, provides numerous examples of these principles. For instance, in the creation story, Eve is created from Adam's rib, symbolizing the emergence of the feminine from the masculine, the manifestation from the potential. This narrative echoes the Hermetic belief that the feminine principle actualizes what the masculine initiates. The Emerald Tablet, attributed to Hermes Trismegistus, further elaborates on this theme with the phrase, "As above, so below, as below, so above." This principle of correspondence emphasizes that the macrocosm and microcosm reflect each other. In the context of gender, it suggests that the creative forces at play in the cosmos are mirrored within us. By aligning these internal energies, we can harmonize our external reality. A deeper understanding of the Hermetic principle of gender reveals the hidden generative principle. This concept emphasizes the crucial role of care in the creative process. Care is not merely about nurturing. It involves a focused and sustained attention to what we wish to create. This care is the fertile ground in which the seeds of our thoughts, masculine principle, can grow into reality, feminine principle. Consider the biblical story of the Good Samaritan, who, unlike others, took the time to care for a wounded man. This act of compassion and attention transformed the situation, illustrating how focused care can bring about healing and change. Similarly, in the realm of creation, care nurtures our desires, enabling them to manifest. In Hermetic teachings, care is the energy that propels the generative process. This is reflected in the teachings of Kabbalah, where the balance between 𝐂𝐡, the crown representing divine intention, and Malkut, the kingdom representing manifestation, is achieved through conscious alignment. The Zohar, a foundational Kabbalistic text, teaches that the divine light flows from 𝐂𝐡 to Malkut, creating a harmonious flow that mirrors the Hermetic concept of gender. Hermetic philosophy introduces the duality of the self and the me. The self represents our divine essence, the source of our desires and intentions, while the me is the mental and emotional vehicle through which these desires are expressed and manifested. This duality is akin to the alchemical process of transformation, where base materials are transmuted into gold, symbolizing the refinement of our base desires into higher spiritual truths. This inner alchemy is essential for conscious creation. The self, like the biblical figure Moses, represents the divine spark within us, the initiator of change. Moses' leadership and unwavering faith in the divine will serve as a metaphor for the self's role in guiding the me. The me, in turn, must align with the self's higher intentions, much like how the Israelites followed Moses through the wilderness, symbolizing the alignment of thoughts and actions with divine guidance. The reticular activation system, also known as RAS in modern neuroscience, provides a scientific explanation for the Hermetic teachings on focus and care. The RAS is a network of neurons that filters information based on what we deem important. By focusing our attention, care, on our desires, we activate the RAS, which then seeks out relevant opportunities and information in our environment. Dr. Joe Dispenza, a leading figure in the study of mind-body connection, explores this concept in his work. He emphasizes that by aligning our thoughts, self, and emotions, me, we can rewire our brain and create new neural pathways. This neuroplasticity allows us to transcend old patterns and manifest new realities, a concept deeply rooted in Hermetic philosophy. In Kabbalistic tradition, achieving balance between the self and the me is likened to attaining kingship. This metaphorical kingship refers to mastery over one's life, aligning thoughts, emotions, and actions to create a harmonious existence. The Kabbalistic tree of life illustrates this journey, where the Sephira Tiferet, beauty representing the heart, harmonizes the polarities of the Sephirot, leading to the crown, Keter. The classic book The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho also touches on this journey. The protagonist, Santiago, seeks his personal legend, a quest for self-realization. Through his journey, he learns to listen to his heart, align his actions with his inner desires, and ultimately fulfill his destiny. This narrative encapsulates the Hermetic teachings on the balance of masculine and feminine energies, leading to the manifestation of one's highest potential. In conclusion, the Hermetic principles, particularly the principle of gender and the generative principle, offer profound insights into the process of creation and manifestation. By understanding and balancing the masculine and feminine energies within us, we can consciously shape our reality. The key lies in the care we give to our desires. What we focus on grows. Just as the Bible instructs us to guard your heart with all vigilance, for from it flow the springs of life. Proverbs 4:23. so must we cultivate our inner world with care and intention. As we journey through life, let us ponder these questions. Are we nurturing the seeds of our desires with the care they require? How can we better harmonize our thoughts, emotions, and actions to manifest our true potential? These reflections invite deep contemplation and dialogue. We encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. How have the Hermetic Principles influenced your understanding of creation and manifestation? What steps are you taking to align your inner and outer worlds? Thank you for joining us on this exploration of ancient wisdom and modern insights. If you found this content enlightening, please support us with a like and subscribe for more thought-provoking discussions. Remember, the power to create your reality lies within your grasp. Let's harness it together, and may your journey towards self-mastery and conscious creation be ever illuminating.